Hello Dave, today I would like to introduce standard type jewelry welding machine. So right now I turn on the power supply. Okay, so follow here and choose the machine. Yeah, okay, turn on the switch. And turn on the emergency. Okay, when you see the LCD appearance some parameters, you have to turn on the machine, and it will be wait 1 minute. And let me introduce some parts for you. And this is the complete optical laser systems. So the flash lamp and LED bar inside cavity, we call the ceramic cavity. And this is full mirror, and this is half mirrors. So when the laser through the half mirror and to the full mirrors, and the laser through the bin mirrors, and through here, and we can see something through the microscope. Okay, when you hear some that voice, so it proves the machine can work. I show you. The LCD also can connect in the CCD camera. So this one without the CCD camera. So you have to through the microscope to check the welding effect. But if you see this through the eyes, that very nice. You can see okay, and show you the water tank. This is the power supply. Yes, and this is the water tank. So hello Dave, this is the best focus, and this one also best. Which one is not best? And you can see this. So when you see the machine focus like this, you have to adjust through here and put the paper, focus paper. Yes. Okay, so you can see this is 100% really best focus here. Then we can weld some gold or silver. Okay, now I'll show you how to turn off the machine. Off. Yes. So we have to wait after 15 seconds. And press the emergency stop. Okay. And here. 我把这个关掉啊。And turn off. Yes.